Hello, I'm Dr. David McFadden from the Dental Implant Center in Dallas, Texas. Today's topic is the cost of dental implant treatment, specifically the cost of full mouth dental implant treatment. You may not be surprised to find out that the #1 search phrase on the internet for dental implant treatment is the cost of dental implants. Why is that? Why is it such a mystery? Well, the range of prices is tremendous, and it's much like buying a car. You can buy a used car for a few $1,000s, you can buy a German luxury sedan for $100,000, and everything in between. The same is true in implant dentistry. But maybe a more appropriate comparison is buying a home, because there's similarities in the construction of a building or a house, the same as there is with full mouth dental implant treatment. So think about buying a home in a tract home development. We've all done that usually early in our lives, and some of us may still live in a tract home. So tract home philosophy, and the reason they can be so inexpensive is that most tract homes are built by unskilled laborers, encouraged to go as fast as they can to finish a house in 90 days or less, using the least expensive materials on the market. So when you pull up to your new home for the first time, you like what you see. And usually from an aesthetic standpoint, it looks fine. But the problems arise in the areas that you can't see. And that is the roof may leak. You may have electrical issues that are found inside the walls where you can't see, or a foundation problem that may arise a few years after the home is finished. So these are the areas, just like implant dentistry, it's the foundation and the places that you can't see that dictate the success of the treatment. So the foundation in implant dentistry is the bone and the gum tissue. And the implants, how the implants sit in that foundation, make or break the success of the case. So much like that, the problems with a house, a tract home, you're going to find these problems arising weeks, months, or years later. So finding a practitioner who will help you construct your treatment is of paramount importance. The only way to be sure that you're getting what you're buying, that the value is there, is through research. So on my website and on YouTube and many other places, there are many, dozens, hundreds, or thousands of ways you can educate yourself in regard to the differences in full mouth implant treatment. What might be appropriate for you may not be appropriate for the next person. So we've all seen the commercials and the ads on television where the patient is being offered one treatment modality. Does that make sense to anybody? If you go into a neighborhood, a tract home neighborhood, you're going to have between 5 and 10 different options on floor plans, amenities, square footage. If you go into a car dealership, you're going to have 5 to 10 to 15 to 20 different options on purchasing a car. In both cases, you are going to try to find the one that's right for you. So does it make any sense at all that one treatment is offered from all these corporations advertising on television? Of course not. But I'm not sure that many of you thought of it that way. So let's go back to cost for a minute. You're about to make the first, second, or third largest purchase of your life. It demands that you research and understand your options completely. Much like a house, and even like a car, you want to get the best value for the money that you're able to spend. Many of you can do this one time in a lifetime. Whether you're using retirement money, savings, maybe a second mortgage on your home, you can do it one time. So the most important thing is, how long will it last? The smile may look great, but if the foundation's wrong, you're going to have problems starting in weeks, months, or years after your purchase or after the completion of your treatment. So educate yourself so that you know all your options. My website has a number of different lectures you can watch, a number of different videos that you can watch to educate yourself in regard to all these options, as well as price points. So I wish you well in your search. Thank you for listening.